at 7 o'clock. I usually walk around the block. I often drink coffee with my toast. I sometimes visit the western coast. I rarely see the morning star. I never ever drive a car. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever, never. These are the rhythms of our lives, always and forever. She's always late, he's never on time. I'm usually happy when I rhyme. Do you ever play tennis in the rain? Do you ever travel by train? I hardly ever watch the TV news. I sometimes listen to the Delta blues. We're always ready, we're always here. Once in a while, once a year. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever, never. These are the rhythms of our lives, oh, always and forever. She's always late, he's never on time. I'm usually happy when I rhyme. Before the verb, I always go. After to be, I am always slow. The position is the key. Listen to me. Always love, never hate. Sometimes early, very late. Always and forever. Always and forever. Always and forever.